gold ETFs are going down. Airbnb, yeah. It's kind of needs to take out that 179 area. This could be a long-term hold. It's holding up well. Been building higher lows, getting tighter. Could be the next true market leader, potentially. Airbnb. But we're not there yet. LULU, that one is strong. The steel name, CLFX, kind of tightening up nicely. Uranium name is not really great looking. AA, extended for an EP. There's no EP here. What the hell are you talking about? It's just flagging. There's no EP here. But yeah, if it breaks out on earnings, yeah, it could go. It's a nice flag. Yeah, I'm still kicking myself not buying it here when it broke out. All these commodity names are reversing to the upside, except for uranium names. I'm gonna raffle off my old boat? No. You wish. My EP scan settings? Okay, here's my EP scan settings. Someone better clip it. Here, EP scan setting. Okay guys, be ready here. No, wait. Here. Price percent change today. Blah blah, I don't know what this means. Anyways, it's up 7.5%. Today's high is higher than yesterday's high, which means we don't want stocks that were down a lot. And then up a lot today. And this is the volume. I think it's 100 million, I'm not sure. These are my settings, alright? Someone clip it. And also in TC2000, it kind of removes 2 zeros. So imagine there's another 2 zeros here. So it's like 100. I think it's like 100. A million right now, but it's really 100 million. That's my EP scan settings. Adjust it to your own needs. On Twitch. I can add it to my blog. You're gonna have to put links to everything, otherwise people don't find it. Alright. I'm gonna link that to my blog so it's easier to find. How do I log into my blog? Here it is. Yeah, the scans are not the holy grail. People are so focused on... But obviously you need a few good scans to find the stocks you're looking for. But people are too focused on scans and not so much focused on actually knowing how to trade. And guys, you know, if you have more than 3-4 scans, you know, you're out of your mind. You don't need more than a few scans. If you have more than a few scans, you know, you're focusing on the wrong things. People are scan collectors. Well, some people are. They're indicators collectors and scan collectors. Car, yeah, it is kind of flagging. Alright, looks like all these commodity names gap down and start to reverse to the upside. Very good. Yeah, it's just a consolidation. I have no plans to do anything. Nope, cold, no, not cold. Wait, what? No, boil. Boil, yeah. I shorted yesterday. 109-ish. When it took out the previous candle. Gapping it down. No, I think it could reverse another $10 very easily. But the thing is, I was also short UNG. But I had to cover it. I didn't have enough buying power to hold it overnight. I had like a 400,000 shares. But I mean, so many things. I didn't have the buying power. I would have done more boil, but it's not shortable in my main account. So I had to do it in my smaller account. Didn't have the buying power there either. Do more. Are you considering more multi-frame strategies? I have no idea what that means. What the fuck is a multi-frame strategy? I'm sorry, I have no idea. Guys, imagine I'm 8 years old. Imagine I'm 8 years old. Talk to me like I'm 8 years old, please. Anything else is too complicated for me. Multi-frame? Oh, like multi-time frame, like daily? Yeah, sure. I'm looking more at the weekly than I have before, sure. It's just part of my evolution. Going from 1 minute to 5 minute to 60 minute to daily, blah, 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 or combination of these. It's all part of the evolution as a trader. Yeah, I'll be trading yearly candles soon. Dude, if you're paying 0.7% tax on every trade, you won't be able to trade. I doubt you're gonna make it as a trader. Maybe as a position trader, but man, that's just brutal. Those transaction taxes are brutal for traders. 0.30, yeah, it's gonna be very difficult. The QQQ yearly, yeah, it probably needs to pull back to the 10, 20. But it doesn't have to. It can just consolidate here and go to 1,000. Doesn't really mean anything. I don't know, 0.7% tax for one trade. That's just, I mean, I don't know. You have to try it out. It can work. It can work, absolutely. Especially if you are if you don't do a lot of trades and you have a little bit longer time frames, then it will definitely work. But if you're gonna do shorter term swing trading, it can work, but especially if there's no capital gains taxes, it could work. But you have to be profitable, obviously. Otherwise, if you're just gonna lose money, you're gonna lose more money than you would have. Imagine if Boyle does an unwind like Yang. Wouldn't it be epic? Do I feel about TD Ameritrade? Do I trust it? I don't fucking know. I've never used it. I have no idea. Why are you asking me? Since when did I use a TD Ameritrade? No idea. What broker do you use? I hope you're trolling. I hope you're trolling. Oh my god, I hope you're trolling. Guys, what broker am I using? Oh, what broker do I use? Robinhood? Bear Stearns? That's right, Bear Stearns. Yeah, I use a combination of Robinhood and Bear Stearns. I used Lehman, but I didn't like their interface. CyberTrade Pro, yeah, that one is good if you want to trade on weekends and holidays. Exactly, I pay per trade. That's true. Thumb Point Securities. Pittsburgh Terminal. What the fuck? Guys, if there's any confusion to what broker I use, I suggest you follow the instructions on the screen. Yeah, I think EPs would be the best trading strategy if you have a 0.35% tax per buy sell. Wait, 0.35? Oh, yeah. So 0.7 per trade for one buy, one sell. Yeah, I think EP would be the best one, like earnings EPs, because those, you don't get that frequently. You won't be trading like a maniac all the time. EP would be your best choice. I mean, it can be actually a very good deal, paying 1.35, but not paying any taxes on capital gains. Like, I think, you know, you could be an incredible EP trader and pay no capital gains taxes. That's actually a good deal. Looks like these lithium names are starting to move today. A lot of talk about the lithium shortage, upcoming or current, I don't even know. That's a good one, Tanner, the Tanner. We should all be trading like it costs 0.7 round trip. Yep, man, I would be much more profitable if I cut my trading by 50%. But you know what? I'm a chunky, what can I say? I don't do drugs, I drink rarely, but I trade. That's my weakness. Other than that, I behave. Exactly, fewer trades, less content. That's true. I'm a content creator. I have to reframe my mentality. Not a trader, I'm a content creator too. I have to think of you guys. That's why I'm constantly letting you guys front run me. So I can be pissed, so you can be entertained. Am I dating Anya? I'm not sure who Anya is. I know someone tagged me on Twitter. And now everyone wants me to have a meetup with her. Oh, that's Anya. I do hold through earnings when I have profit padding, like I had on LMT. It's not a very volatile stock. I mean, I took the risk, whatever. It's working out. But yeah, it could have gapped down to 420 or something, sure. It's a risk, but it's not a huge position. It's a pretty small position, I don't really care. But yeah, I generally hold through earnings if I have a profit padding. Especially if the stock has been showing relative strength. KRBN. Yeah. I mean, I guess it looks okay. 1.4 ADR. So I wouldn't trade it. I know I did trade it somewhere here, but yeah. I don't suggest anyone with less than 10 million to even look at this thing. There are better ways of making money. Faster moving stocks. DOGZ? I don't know. Maybe a little bit more sideways. It's actually a pretty good looking flag. But yeah, I think the 20-day needs to catch up a bit more. These PANW and FTNT aren't going away. They are not going away. I still think there's going to be an enormous opportunity in China. We already had a big opportunity back in mid-March. But I think it's going to be a multi-month opportunity. Multi-quarter opportunity where... So the lower China goes, the better for that trade to happen. Alright guys, thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.